up? If you're new to my channel, it's called Gears of Snore. This is trip number 2 here in Bear Mountain, and picked up another friend. If you like my videos, please give it the thumbs up and leave a comment. Appreciate it. I think we are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bikes deep. Not too sure if this is a VTX. I think it is. Either that or it's a Kawasaki. What's up, baby girl? I don't think in a million years like they envision people riding their bicycles on this road as well as cars and stuff, so it was made like, you know, standard width. And I'm not really sure you could go any further given, you know, the space available here. I'm not sure if they blasted this through mountains or it'd be something interesting to look up. Scenery, man, is something else. You know, you're riding your motorcycle and there's just something so euphoric about it, and then you do that and you have beautiful scenery. Oh, look at this guy's got his dog on the front. Man, if Bella was still alive, she'd love to be on the back of this. I'd get her some goggles. I miss you, buddy. Oh, doggy heaven's everything it should be. Remember, kids, adopt, don't shop. Well, I have no idea what this guy in front of us is riding. It looks out of this world, though. It's, it is friggin' weird, and he is hauling ass, man. What is that thing? We're getting on, looks like 202 West here. Man, would you look at the size of that rock, huh? The sign said authorized vehicles only. Nobody tells Big Sheila what to do, not even Big Sheila. Ain't that right, girl? Look at this, another beautiful road, curves going downhill, like just fantastic riding. lovely 9W. What's not to like about this? Like, if you don't ride and you're watching my channel, I hope that this presents you with something that is a reason why you might consider taking the class and getting a bike. It's because of you're going to see the world differently on a motorcycle. You can't experience this in a car where you're leading your bike and just it isn't a means of, well, it is a means of transportation, right? But it's a fun means of transportation. And it's more fun with friends. It really, truly is. I mean, you're literally riding on the side of a mountain. It's just... It really is something you have to experience once in your life, because once you do, there's no going back. There's none. It's just, if this doesn't brighten your mood, I don't know what's gonna. Past the anchor. I think we are. There it is. That view, huh? Really is something else. This is 9W. You can just ride 9W all day long, and it's just really nice riding. It is. And I have a bunch of videos on 9W because of this. I mean, if you made it this far, I thank you for watching. Drop my videos every Friday, 3 p.m. ish. Be safe, my friends.